Welcome to DAP, Europe's leading manufacturer of bespoke HPL. We transform your image into the strongest and most durable panel on the market with our Stratimage manufacturing process. Your image is printed on a special paper, completely free of any optic white, on the highest performing latex printer on the market. The paper print then goes on to prepare for the press. This is done by embedding your printed image in between layers of resin-impregnated craft sheets. The different layers of paper sheets are heated to very high temperatures and pressed at 2,400 tons. Your image is sealed in the material, encapsulated in the resin, and forms one with the rest of the panel. DAP can offer you a finished product with all kinds of machining, ranging from rounded corners to joint panels with a special cut. Our unique manufacturing process makes our panels the most durable, decorative panels on the market. They are very shock resistant and rigid. They are UV resistant with a 10-year warranty. They are resistant to harsh weather conditions and humidity and are 100% waterproof. Very easy to clean and anti-graffiti, and very importantly, they are 100% recyclable. DAP is your manufacturer of bespoke and durable HPL solutions.